What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Lewis, and on today's video, it's not really a comparison because there's really no comparing these two bowling balls. It's really just me telling you what I think are the two best asymmetric balls that you could buy right now that are newer, obviously, right? Before we get into the details, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you'd like to purchase one of these chamois, we have a new design on the way that you guys are gonna wanna check out. Use the link down below in the description. The ball spinners that the balls are sitting on are also available down below in the description. If you'd like to purchase a jersey, you can go to efx.co, use my promo code Napoles10, that's NAPOLES10, and that'll get you 10% off your entire order. And then if you'd like to order the balls or anything like that, use the link down below to JB Bowling Supply's website. It's like honestly one of the best ways to support the local pro shop that we're in. So we have the Jackal Onyx and the Black Widow Mania. The only thing that they really have in common is that they're both asymmetric cores. The Jackal Onyx is going to be really early, very smooth. The Black Widow Mania is going to be very clean through the fronts, very poppy. The one really big thing that they both have in common is that they're both really good bowling balls, and one of them is much cheaper price-wise than the other. Like I said, if you'd like to order either one of these, please use the link down below in the description. It'll take you to JB Bowling Supply's website, local pro shop here in Las Vegas. They get all my stuff drilled, super knowledgeable, great service, and they're gonna take care of you. We'll see you here on the lanes. All right, so we're gonna be bowling here on lane 2, completely fresh, typical house shot. We're gonna throw a few shots of the Jackal first, then we'll throw a few shots with the Black Widow Mania. So let's hit the rosin. Again, this is really just celebrating how much I like both of these bowling balls. So this is the very first shot that's gone down on lane 2 all day today. So that's pretty good. I think I can move like maybe a board right of that. It didn't quite go super high flush. It was a little bit on the lighter side. I'm not gonna make a big move, just a little small move right there. So we're not gonna make a big move right, because this is a super strong ball, but we'll move like 2 right. I was at 26, we're gonna go to like 24, 8, 9, 10 down lane, really 7, 8, 9 down lane. And that's a little bit more flush, a little bit more where I want to be. I don't want to be in that super light area. I'll throw one more with the Jackal, then we'll get into the Black Widow Mania. I do worry that because it's a fresh house shot, the Widow might be a little bit quick down lane, but we'll get there when we get there. Yeah, so that's a pretty good shot. We'll throw one more, then we'll get into the Widow. Again, we're not comparing these two bowling balls. You're not going to pick one of these over the other. They're going to be used in different times. Yeah, really good shot. Again, you're not going to use one versus the other at the same time, right? Like, so you can have both of these in the bag, right? The Jackal's gonna be early, it's gonna be smooth, it's gonna be round. The Black Widow's gonna be a little bit cleaner through the front, a little bit more responsive down lane to the friction. So now we're gonna get into the Black Widow. All right, now we're gonna get into the Widow, same spot as the Jackal to see. Technically more differential, but weaker cover stock if I had to guess. Yeah, so, oh wow, what hit the 10 pin? No idea, but it's definitely cleaner, definitely quicker. Surprisingly, I think I can stay there because that went pretty flush. So we're just gonna go right back to that same spot. Yeah, these two balls right here are probably my 1-2 that have come out this year in 2025. That's probably where I'm at so far. And I won't tell you which one I think is 1, which one you think is 1, whatever. I'll let you guys guess in the comments which one you think is number 1 and 2 for me. I'm actually surprised how good this Widow looks here on the fresh. Let's make another shot here. Oh, I thought that was gonna go like super high, like almost split. But we went 3 for 3 with each. Now we'll get back into the Jackal. I think I might start to creep left a little bit not too high. I'm working on getting my ball speed a little bit higher so that I can play a little bit straighter, and I think it's looking good so far. All right, we're gonna move a little bit left back to the original spot that I started with the Jackal, just to see if it's there yet. And if it's not, we'll move back right. I just wanna test some things out. Yeah, that's pretty good. We're 7 for 7 to start. The Jackal Onyx is really, really good. And even if that wouldn't have struck, I still would have thrown the Widow from that same spot just to see, because again, higher differential, weaker cover. But we'll throw one more with the Jackal, then we'll throw 2 more with the Black Widow Mania. All right, same spot, Jackal Onyx. I like this ball. This is a really, really good ball. Oh, there's no way that strikes. Yeah, that was a horrible shot. Missed it at the bottom, missed right. The one thing that I do like about this Jackal Onyx, and I mentioned it in the original review, is how it just does not lane shine, and it still has not lane shine. That was a horrible shot. Not worried about that. But when I wipe the oil, it still just comes off effortlessly, and it has not lane shined yet. Hey, look, I figured it out. The trick is slow feet and fast hands. That is the trick. All right, same spot here with the Widow Mania. Let's make a good shot here. Oh! Slow feet, fast hands, that's how you strike. Yeah, guys, this Black Widow's nuts. Same spot. Again, slow feet, fast hands. That's been my recipe for success lately. Oh! Like what I see out of both of those balls. Again, we're not comparing because we're going to use these balls at different times. But these are my 2 favorite asymmetric, not asymmetric solids, asymmetrics. So I'll throw one more shot with each, then we'll wrap it up. All right, we're going to move another 2 left. Final shot here with the Jackal Onyx. Hopefully we can label this one and then throw a good shot here with the Widow and finish it up. I'd say that's a pretty good shot. Now we'll just one take this. I really liked what that Jackal Onyx did there. It allowed me to move left. It seems like it's pretty versatile, even though it's a giant asymmetric solid. We're gonna make that same move here with the Black Widow Mania and end on a banger here. Last shot here with the Black Widow Mania. I like what the Jackal gave me. Versatile enough for an asymmetric solid. Let me move in. This is the Black Widow Mania from that same spot. Oh, Paralyzer 7. Yeah, I mean, both of these balls, like I said, we're not comparing them. These are 2 different balls that we're going to throw at 2 different times. But they both kind of let me play from the same part of the lane, but the shapes were vastly different, right? The Widow was cleaner, more poppy, more responsive, while the Jackal was earlier, smoother, more predictable. So let me know in the comments down below, which one of the 2 did you like the most? Head over to JB Bowling Supply, hook them up, support a local pro shop here in Las Vegas.